Send it on your personal number.
Yes, Varun, I have received it now. And Kushagra has not sent me. Jayesh has not sent me. Ashvik Agarwal has not sent me.
Ma'am, have you received my Hindi worksheet?
Yes, Utsav, Anshuman, Iramnaz, Lakshita, Devarya, and one more name I took. Whose name was it? Shaurya Gangwar. I have received only from these students. Jayesh hasn't sent me, and one more student has not sent me. Kushagra. Jayesh and Kushagra are missing from their work. So, today again we are going to do something new. What is that? Let's revise chapter number 12 today.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you ready for it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Kushagra, why didn't you send me the work yesterday?
Ma'am, I have sent.
Where have you sent?
Ma'am, on WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp group or to me on my personal number?
Ma'am, on group. Ma'am, the review.
That is why I didn't receive it. Beta, send it on my personal number. Okay?
The test.
Yes, the test.
Okay, ma'am.
And also Ashvik Agarwal, even you haven't sent. If you have sent it on the class group, beta, please send it to me on my personal number. Children, please try to do your work neat and tidy. Some of your work is so dirty. It is so difficult to read. Please don't do that. I don't want to name any student, but please make your handwriting nice. Okay, children, one thing I have come across. Many of you have made this mistake. What is an estuary? What is an estuary? Yes, Anshuman.
Ma'am, ma'am, the small rivers.
Okay, Iram, tell.
Ma'am,
Hmm? Utsav, can you tell?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, the tidal mouth of a large river that joins a smaller river.
Estuary. I'm asking what is an estuary?
Ma'am, the tidal mouth of a large river when the river enters the stream.
Is it given in the chapter? Is this definition given somewhere in the chapter or you have found it on your own?
Ma'am,
Yes, Varun, you tell. Varun, tell.
The rivers that flow to Arabian Sea in one stream is called estuary.
Okay, so here only the rivers that flow into Arabian Sea in one stream are called estuary?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Iram, you say.
ma'am, a tidal mouth of large river.
Beta, where is it? A tidal mouth of large river.
Ma'am, in the book.
Okay.
Ma'am, the last.
Yes. It is given in the end in the book. So now, see, it is also given on page number 85, the second last paragraph, the second last line. The line is, I will read it out. These rivers flow into the Arabian Sea in one stream called an estuary. Now, what is an estuary? Estuary is the rivers that flow in one stream. Sometimes the rivers branch out and they form deltas. But when they do not form deltas, they flow in one stream into a large river. That is an estuary. Okay? And Varun, you have written the rivers that flow in Arabian Sea in one stream. Beta, not only in Arabian Sea, they could flow somewhere else also. So the rivers that flow in one stream into a sea, that is called an estuary. See here also in the end it is given when the river enters the sea in one stream without branching into smaller streams. That is an estuary.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, where are they saying a tidal mouth of a large river?
Yes.
Ma'am, there is written. Ma'am, here is written.
Yes, it's written. It's written. I didn't know. I didn't read it only. Okay, so now let's do chapter number 12 today.
Ma'am, test of chapter number 12.
Yes, test of chapter number 12.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to write a few questions. Yes.
Ma'am, can we revise?
Yes, you can revise. Till the time I'm writing questions in the chat box, you can revise the chapter.
Ma'am, please tell that what we have to do, ma'am, because due to some network issues, I was out from the meeting.
We will do the revision test
Beta,
of chapter.
we are doing chapter 12 today, the revision test of chapter number 12. I'm writing a few questions in the chat box. You have to write these questions first in a copy and then their answers. And when you will finish the test, you will complete the test, you will send the picture to me on my personal number. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, how many questions are there?
But I'm writing. First question number 1 is already there in the chat box. You can do.
Ma'am, we have to do where in a revision notebook or in.
Beta, you
Ma'am,
can do it in your rough copy. You can do it in your rough copy.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we will do today question answers.
We are doing the revision of chapter number 12, like how we did chapter number 13's revision yesterday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, yesterday, like you have sent questions in chat box, you will today also send.
I'm sending beta. Haven't you received any questions yet?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have not received any question.
Wait. I will send. Wait.
Ma'am, but I do not see only one question.
Now can you see, children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now I can see 1 and 2.
Yes. Whose mic is on? Dev Arya, please put yourself on mute.
The northern mountains are divided into
Children, I have typed all the answers in the chat box, beta. There are 8 questions in all, but the answers are really short. They're not long. So I hope you'll be able to complete this test in this period only. And when you finish writing these questions, you have to put your videos on.
Ma'am, I have completed the questions. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
beta.
ma'am, due to some network problem, I was left. Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I was saying that we have done till now. Ma'am, what we have done till now?
Okay, wait. Like yesterday, we did the revision test of chapter 13. Today, we are doing of chapter number 12. Okay, I have typed a few questions in the chat box, which I'm going to send again. If you have missed these questions, you have to write these questions in your rough copy, and then you have to write the answers of each of them. Is it clear? Now, children, do one thing. I'm sending this work again. See, I have sent it. Are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now everyone, each one of you, take a screenshot on your phones. Because it becomes very difficult, beta, to send the work again and again. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have write all the questions. So
Now
I am
you write
writing
all
the
the answers. Yes.
Ma'am, I was saying that like question number 8, which ranges divide northern plains from Deccan Plateau?
Yes.
Ma'am, this which range? So we can write one word answer, ma'am. Only the name of the range.
Yes, you can do that. That is why I'm telling you the questions are very small. The answers are very small. So you'll be able to do it in this period only.
Ma'am, I have written the whole statement.
No problem.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
beta.
due to the network problem, I was left. So can you tell what we have done till now?
Kushag, haven't you taken the screenshot of questions, beta? I have written a few questions in the chat box. How many questions have you written? Kushag, how many questions have
Ma'am, I
you
have not
written?
started because I was. Ma'am, I have not started because at the starting only I was left and I keep trying and because of the very low network signal I collected at this time.
Now I'm sending you the answers once again.
Ma'am, can you send all the questions?
Yes, I'm doing it.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write in the clear copy or rough copy.
Rough copy.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write answers with questions.
Beta, if you want to write, I told you to write all the questions first and then the answers after that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, due to some network issue, I am out from the meeting. Please.
Children, see, I'm sending you the picture. Listen, I'm sending you the questions on your class group. Those who miss the questions here, please see from the class group. Fine? Check on your WhatsApp group. I have sent the questions there, beta. Now see from there and do.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, because of network issue, I have left the meeting. Ma'am, we have not done anything now.
Dave, I have check your class WhatsApp group. I have sent a few questions there. Do those questions from there.
Ma'am, please send question again.
Beta, check on your class group, WhatsApp group. I have sent the picture there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the sixth one question.
Name the three parts of the peninsular plateau. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
yes.
Well,
Now you have understood?
ma'am, yes, ma'am. I mean, sixth one question, what we have to do?
Beta, you have to name the three parts of the peninsular plateau. Now, the peninsular plateau has three parts. Which are they?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, and the Deccan Plateau.
Yes, ma'am.
So, name these three parts.
Edit again web because of the network issue.
It is
Sure.
sent on the WhatsApp group.
Check the questions on your class WhatsApp group, beta.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the question number 1.
What is it, beta?
In how many parts Northern Mountains is divided? Name them.
Okay. So, these northern mountains are also divided. Now, see, what are they divided into? Three ranges, which are the
Ma'am,
Shivalik
ma'am,
range. Yes.
ma'am, now I understand. Ma'am, now
Okay,
I
okay,
understand.
okay, okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, this time ma'am, I will send the old test and I can't send you this test because ma'am there is a lot of network issue and I can't connect from you ma'am and I am trying to connect it for many minutes.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, in the small questions like the eighth and second question, we can give the one word answer.
Yes, beta. Where it is required to give one word, you can give one word also. There is no issue.
Ma'am, I have done.
Done. Very good. Very nice. Send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done and sent it.
Very nice, Utsav. I have received
Ma'am,
it.
I have done.
Okay, you can send it, beta. Send it to me.
Ma'am, can I send you test one? Ma'am, can I send you the test one?
Yes, beta. Send.
Okay, ma'am.
Utsav, beta, you haven't named these deserts. The question was, what are the two types of deserts? Name them. You have written the two types of deserts are this and this, but you haven't written the name, beta. Complete the answer.
Ma'am, I have to give example also.
Yes. Now you have written cold desert, put a hyphen and name it. Hot desert, put a hyphen and name it.
Ma'am, I have sent it. Ma'am, I have sent it.
Okay, beta. And also in the last answer, you have just named